Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete photo from TikTok profile. Your TikTok profile photo is visible to anyone who views your account, and you may want to remove it. If you plan to update it or keep your profile blank to delete your photo, start by opening the TikTok app and go to your profile. Click on Edit. Just click on Change Photo. And if you don't see a Remove option, then you can replace the photo with a blank or different image instead. Go to your Google Chrome or any browser. Open search for default profile picture and download the image, and after downloading, just click on Upload Photo and upload the photo. Crop it to your liking and click on Save and Post. And that's it. We just learned how to remove or replace our TikTok profile photo using the Edit Profile settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.